Hey guys, thanks for clicking that play button. This is going to be a short video. There wasn't too much going on this weekend. We did have some nice weather. Wanted to get the chainsaws out, get the axes out, and just kind of hang out by the fire. So enjoy the video. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button.
A little spongy. The log is gonna nail it. Nah, dude, GoPros are gangster. You can throw that off a mountain. Well, that's why I did it. That don't even matter. That's why I did it.
Chainsaws and fire. We're here. We didn't want to do bushcraft. The ice is bad, or we're going to say that it's bad.
I wanted firewood.
We wanted firewood, and we wanted to hang out, so we're here.
Cut it straighter. The tree was crooked.
Yeah, the tree was crooked. Do a better job.
I keep rushing in to do Frank's job. I feel like I'm helping, but I'm like, nah.
Chopping block.
So I was swinging the maul. Look what happened.
You made a goose.
It's a goose.
You got a little eye, you got a little beak.
Yo, you think he'll fly if you throw it? No. Nope, didn't fly.
Kindling's back on.
That is awesome. It's a bunch of dogs in the woods. That's what's crazy.